Well, it's that time of day. I know these are old. Well, not old, but the 3rd gen AirPods are new to me. Because I've been rocking the 2nd generation for so long. The only thing that they're good for is just to listen to music, and I don't need that. So next time I'll just go recycle. Let's take out the safe environment paper. The card information, which this has warranty stuff and other package that no one cares about. No Apple stickers on this one. I mean, they only give it to you on their iPads, phones, or Macs, or AirPods. No AirPods. Let's see, let's take it on time. Pop it out. Here's your 3rd gen. Let's see what else is under here. And your lightning cable. USB to lightning, everybody. Don't get excited. They're not USB-C. Alright. Well, I have enough of these being lying around, so I'll just put them back in the box. I don't need them just yet. Wow, they look cool. Let's see how they fit my ear. Okay. They passed the shaking the head test. Everyone wants to do that. And they're much smaller compared to the this one. Much smaller. Yeah. I think these are a little bit difficult for me to put it on. So let's just connect these to the phone. I wish to show you, but it's kind of hard. But I am doing it, guys. I am doing it. So open the phone. Let's connect it. So it's connecting. Media. Skip. Not now. Not now. Okay, let's see if they work. So we're connected. No, thank you. First I have to put the volume down because I don't want to blast my ears. Oh, these feel great. Yeah, I love it so far. The audio is great. It's cool. Alright, thank you all, musician that helps me with audio. Case, obviously. I didn't get the one with the wireless charging because it would obviously increase the price. But, oh look, my cat's here. She wants to help with the unboxing. You wanna? I think she likes the 2nd generation. All right, let's go put you back for the editing. There you go. Yeah. So these will go in my drawer right here with old Apple products I don't use anymore. So, RIP Apple AirPods 2nd generation. Hello, new generation. Well, new to me. Something to go back. Why didn't you get the 3rd, the Pros? Well, that would be a lot of money. I love the 3rd gen. I just love them. That's something. Trash can. But if you like this video, why don't you subscribe? And maybe I'll compare these 2 things in the next video. So, yeah, peace.